to install Cinema SD application on your smart TV. First thing first, simply head over to any of your browser, and inside a browser, you can find this site called How to Install Cinema SD on Smart TV. And for this, you can simply click on the following and watch the guide from here, and step by step perform accordingly. And if you don't want to do that, you can simply search the Cinema SD APK download for Android TV, and this first link will appear. And once you click inside here, you can simply download it from here. And as you can see, it has been downloaded. As I'm showing this you in on my PC, you'll have to do it directly on your Android TV applications browser, Android TV's browser. And once you do that, you can simply click install from your download menu, and it will be installed easily. And hope this helps your problem. So if this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.